Hey guys, come back to our channel Madhasu Creations. In this session, I would like to share about few doubts that every girl should possess about the menstruational cycle. This is nothing but the menstruational hygiene. Question number 1. What are periods and menstruation? All girls start their period between 9 and 16 years. It is a monthly shedding of blood and mucus from the inner lining of the uterus. Every month, the lining gets thicker to prepare for fertilized egg. This monthly process is called as menstruation or periods. Health tips: eat iron-rich food, bath twice a day, exercise daily, use the right method for cleaning the perineum. One another important thing is disposing of a sanitary pad. Wrap the soiled napkin in its plastic cover or a leakage-proof bag. If unavailable, wrap it in a few layers of toilet paper or paper bag. Discard in trash that is out of reach of pets and animals. Use trash cans located inside the cabinets, like under the bathroom sinks or ones with lids. Do not flush, burn or mix it with wet household garbage. There are a number of myths and superstitious beliefs on the menstruational cycle of girl. Here we are going to know the answer for those such type of questions. Number 1. A menstruating woman is impure, sick or even cursed. Fact: menstruating women are not impure. Menstruation is a natural and healthy body process. Menstruational fluid is just a mixture of blood along with the electrolytes or ions and tissues that will convert into the nourishment for the zygote to grow. If the eligible mother convinces, it's a natural phenomenon for the mother to give new life. Number 2. A menstruating woman cannot offer prayers, take part in religious ceremonies, is forbidden from touching a sacred object or entering a place of worship. Fact: a menstruating woman is not impure, but she might like to follow these practices as respect for the religious sentiments of others. It's natural process like any other organ function to fulfill the physiological needs of the body. Number 3. A menstruating woman should not cook food or even enter the kitchen. Doing so will spoil the food items in the kitchen and anyone consuming them will fall sick. Fact: entering the kitchen during the menstruation will not harm anybody as long as general hygiene measures are followed. Menstruating women can prepare and handle food just like anybody else. 4. Can a menstruating woman touch pickles? Fact: as long as general hygiene measures are followed, menstruating women can prepare and handle food just like anybody else. Wash hands with soap and water. Do menstruating women to be left alone? Can she go to school and play sports? Fact: having periods is natural and healthy, so you can do everything normally. In ancient times, girls were left alone or stopped from doing activities for 2 reasons. The first reason is that they could take rest. The second reason is that no one had knowledge about periods. So they believed women were dirty and should be left alone. Now we know what periods are and why they happen. So you can do everything as usual, but it is fine to take rest when you need it. Your menstruational cycle holds the key to your creativity and feminine power. It's time to stop suffering, start healing, and become whole.